Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually don't know if I'm looking weird or I'm looking that good, but then that's not why we are here. I'm actually stepping out now, and as you can see, I'm on the road. I'm actually late, and but then I just wanted to start this vlog here. I'm going on some errand rather. I'm going to so many places today. Like, I have a whole lot of places to catch up with, but then the most important one to YouTube is that I'm going to get some backdrop for my filming space, and I'm going to take you guys along, and you guys should endeavor to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be giving you updates about my phone towards the end of this video. So you guys, I'll catch you up later. I am running late. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's the next day. So I started the vlog yesterday while I was going out, and now I'm back here to give you an update about what I went to get. And I was so tired yesterday when I got back, and that's the reason why I couldn't film when I got back. So now I'm here. I think I made some videos where I got the backlog from, and here is my background. I already nailed what's it called, the wall. I already put some nails on the wall. I got the backlog. You guys should guess which one I got from the video. Yeah, so there are various backlogs, there are various decorations. I didn't even know those things are that expensive, to be honest. I thought they were just peanuts money, not knowing that they are quite expensive. I saw the one that looks like a cup, like they were in a jar like this. They are actually beautiful, but money wise, so I actually don't want a busy background. You know, my background is a kind of what's it called, butter colored, and or what do I call this color, cream color. Yeah, cream or butter color. My background used to be two color. Let me show you guys. Like, it's two colors, so I'm trying to avoid showing this other color in my video. I'm supposed to make my background. I usually like white background, but then I don't have anything to do with this, like, I don't have anything to do about this background yet. So the only thing I could think of is just get a small backlog and just decorate the place with. So let me just take my thumbnail picture. So I'm trying to take my thumbnail picture. So yeah, let me show you guys the one I got. Woo! So I got this. It comes in I showed you guys in that, what's it called, in those intro. Yeah, it has gold, it has white, and it has this green. But because my background is not white, like, my background is cream color, so I needed to go with just the color. So I'm just going to get it transformed now. I'm so excited about this thing. By the way, I got this is quite cheaper. So I got this 550 naira per one, and both amounts to 1,100 naira only. So it's quite affordable. To be honest, I don't want a busy background. I just wanted something to decorate my background with. So I'm just going to show you guys how I am doing the transformation. So I'm just going to pick it like this and drop this. I hope you guys are seeing it. So I just wanted it to be, I just wanted something at the background. That's basically what I want. I want something on the background. I didn't want a plain background. I just hope it comes out well. Hey, I just hope it comes out amazing. What do you guys think? Share with me in the comment section what you think about this transformation. Yeah, now I have, why is this one falling? Why is this one falling? Why are you falling? Why are you falling? So why is this one falling? Is this how you are going to be falling? Okay, yeah, it's fine this way. So Share with me in the comment section what you feel. I think I'm loving what I'm seeing. I like it. Let me bring the camera nearer. Oh my goodness, I have a beautiful background. Like, I love it. I like what I'm seeing. I love it. Share with me in the comment section what you feel about my new background. I think it's better this way. It's actually cool. I feel like there are space here, or what do you guys think? Do I need to get like one more to make it fuller, or it's okay this way? Share with me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this background. But to be honest, I love this background. Yeah, so that's all about transformation. So guys, let me quickly chip in what I promised at the end of this video. So I promised I was going to give you guys updates about my phone. You guys know I made a video about my phone, what actually happened, the unexpected about my iPhone. But before I continue, if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. I'm a likable person, like I normally say. And if you are yet to follow me on Insta, it is usually here or here. Just follow me on Instagram at _Bukenzio. I usually post content on my stories and on my page. So share with me in the comment section if you are an OG. Let me know. So guys, about my phone, I told you guys in my video, I made a video about my phone. I think I tagged it the unexpected or whatnot. So what actually happened was that, if you are new here, let me quickly chip in. What actually happened was that my phone was faulty and I was asked to pay 70,000 naira for the repair. I was told that it's actually ICU or whatnot. It was that explanation then. I was told that they were going to get an iPhone S to get something to transfer from my phone to the phone, or from the phone to my phone, which I eventually accepted. But I told them that after they had fixed the phone, they should just have it sold and remove their 70k and give me my balance to get another phone with. So fast forward to the scenario. I made a video talking about me waiting for response from the ICU engineer, and voila, it was March 30, I was asked to come to their office that my phone has been fixed. And when I got there, the guy was like, okay, where is the money I am going to pay? And I was like, maybe I told you guys to sell the phone. So we now had to go to where we can have the phone sold. When I got there, I had to weigh options. Like, the guy was quite sincere with us. He said he was going to buy the phone like it's used already. According to what he said, like, it's actually the truth. The phone is already used. Like, he meant the phone is not a new phone any longer, and I'm sweating. I don't know why I'm sweating, and my fan is on. Oh my goodness. So the guy was quite sincere with us. He told me, he said, look madam, if I'm to buy this phone from you, I'm not going to buy it more than 120k, and if you have to remove that 70k they asked you to bring there, you'll be left with 50k, and you won't be able to get a better iPhone with 50k. Like, you won't be able to get a better quality camera iPhone you intend buying. So he will advise me to just pay the money. You will advise me to just pay the 70k. So when I tried weighing the possibility of me selling the phone or paying the money, I realized paying the money would be better for me. So I had to just pay the 70k and get my phone. And when I was done, I got my phone, and since then I've been using, since I think that was March 30, and we are in mid-April. I've been using my phone. I'm even using it to film now. I've been using it to film anyways. So that is the update I was going to tell you at the end of this video. So if you watch this video till this stage, don't forget to like, share, comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you feel about my transformation. So you guys, that will be all for now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this particular one. If you enjoyed this particular one, don't forget to look forward to another video very soon. So share with me in the comment section what you feel about my transformation, about my backlog, about my background, my new background actually. So you guys should be seeing more of this thing in my video, except I'm doing outdoor vlog. But if I'm doing a sit down video, this is what you guys will be seeing. So you guys, on to the next, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.